So the foundations have been dug out for the most part, and they're in pretty good shape all around. They're definitely some tired joints. So the person in charge of the project will be going around and fixing it with some pretty heavy duty 55 MPa concrete and patching any major holes, adding rock as he needs to make sure that foundations are good for another 100 years or more. So the extensions of the church, like the small rooms like this, didn't have as good masonry for the foundation, whereas these ones on the part are more straight. Here you've got some gnarlier rocks. And I guess the idea is that on the inside everything looks pretty good, but if the rocks were oddly shaped, then the funny bits would stick out on the outside in the ground with the nose. There's obviously more attention paid to the rocks that were showing on the outside above ground. You can see the line. So those have to be chiseled inside and out. But for what was underground, it's pretty rough. You can get out of the way with the bobcat. Another fun thing to drive. I had to tend to drive it the last couple of days. Super fun. Here's the backside. That's where the entrance used to be. Where that door is, there used to be a big box with the staircase and the roof, and we just ripped all that out and are trying to make a level entrance. And we did a test yesterday, power washing the rock bed to see what that might look like. So today it's patching of foundations.